to say to me. I'm father figure skating. Try to tell me something cause it's different now, but let me count the ways that I can show you how. You got a lot to say to me, but really you just playing me. Born 11/1976, in the midst of conflicts, me the quick fix. From the potential tomb to the womb to the emergency room, escape doom, soon to bloom. Even though my pop's plan could never defeat this, cause between us when I was a fetus was greeted by Jesus. Introduced me to a world that turns and burns, where hate is the worm that spreads the germ. Never concerned cause I made it through the pregnancy term. Learned at an early age that you must stand firm. So I breathe, stretch, bless the Lord. They used a double-edged sword to clip the cord. It was my first taste of pain with much more to come. Screaming while they extract the mucus from my lungs. With me the new addition makes the family complete. We made it home in a stolen car seat, and it's all sweet and calm until your mom gets beat. Call it common occurrences, doomed to